So tongue should be used always for glorifying the Supreme Lord. That is our business with the tongue. And the tongue should not be allowed to anything except Krishna Prasad. Then you become liberated, simply by controlling the tongue. And if you allow the tongue to do anything, then it is very difficult. So the spiritual education, as Krishna says, begins when you understand that I am not this body, and satisfying the senses is not my business, because I am not this body. If I am not this body, why shall I bother myself to satisfy the body only? Body means the senses. This is the first reason. So the karmis, jnanis, yogis, they are all trying to satisfy the demands of the body. The karmis are directly doing that. Eat, drink, be merry, enjoy. That is their philosophy. Jnani is simply trying to understand that I am not this body. Neti, 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 neti. This is not, this is not, this is not, this is not. The yogis, they are also trying to come to the point of controlling the senses by bodily exercise. So their center of activity is body. Center of activity is body. And our philosophy begins that you are not this body. When they will pass their MA examination in studying this body, then they may be able to understand what is their function. But our philosophy begins that you are not this body. Postgraduate study. You are not this body. That is Krishna's instruction. We have seen so many big politicians and scholars in India. They write comments on Bhagavad Gita, but they write on this bodily concept of life. We have seen in our country the great leader Mahatma Gandhi, his photo is with some Bhagavad Gita. But what did he do throughout his whole life? The bodily concept. I am Indian. I am Indian. Nationalism means that's bodily concept of life. I am Indian, I am American, I am Canadian, but we are not this body. Then where is the question of I am Indian, I am American, I am Canadian? So they have no this knowledge, the bodily concept of life, they are absorbed, and still the authority of Bhagavad Gita. Just see the fun. And Bhagavad Gita teaches in the beginning, you are not this body. And they are in the bodily concept of life, that just try to understand what is their position. What they can understand Bhagavad Gita. If one is feeling that I belong to this nation, I belong to this family, I belong to this community, I belong to this cult, I belong to this, I belong to this religion, everything is bodily concept of life. The yogis, they are also trying to understand by bodily exercise. The jnani is also trying to know, understand fully that I am not this body. And the karmis, they cannot understand. They are as animals. The animals cannot understand that he is not body. So, factually, the karmis, jnanis, yogis are a little maybe elevated than the animals, that's all. They are on the animal platform, but it is a little elevated. So I give this example, perhaps you heard it, that the dry side of the stool. In India, they pass stool on the open field. So, at the end of the day, because there is sunshine, the upper side of the stool becomes dried. And the lower side is still moist. So somebody says, this side is very good. He does not know it is stool after all. And this side or that side. So these rascals, they are on the bodily concept of life, and they are thinking that I am nationalist, I am yogi, I am this, I am that, I am that. This is the philosophy. So long you are in the bodily concept of life, you are no better than the animal. That is the Bhagavad philosophy. You are animal. Jasyatma buddhi kunape tridhatuke. Jasyatma buddhi kunape tridha. Sadhik kalatra dishubhaumayijyadhi. Jat tirtha buddhi salilena karhichid. Janesu avignesu saeva gokala. So, gokhara means, go means cow, khara means ass. Animals. So who is that? Jasyatma buddhi kunape tridhatu. This bag of tridhatu, kapha, pitta, vayu. If one thinks that I am this body, I am this body. And in body relation, because in body relation I have got my family, society, children, wife, country, and therefore they are mine. So jasyatma buddhi kunapi tridhatu. Sadhi. Sadhi means thinking they are mine. I am that. Sadhi kalatradishu. Kalatra means wife. Through wife we get children, we expand. The Sanskrit word is stri. Stri means expansion. I remain one. As soon as I get wife, I become two, then three, then four, then five, like that. That is called stri. So, our expansion, these expansions, this material expansion, bodily expansion means illusion. Janasya mohoyam aham mameti. This illusion increases. That I am this body, and in bodily relation, everything is mine. Aham mama. Aham means I and mama means mine. So long one shall remain in the bodily concept of life, his illusion will increase. It will never decrease. Therefore, the first instruction of Krishna to Arjuna, because if Arjuna would not have been in that position of illusion that I am this body and the other side, my brother, my grandfather, my nephews, they are all my relations. How can I kill? This is illusion. Therefore, to dissipate this illusion, darkness, Krishna begins the first lesson that you are not this body. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumara jovanam tatha dehantaram prapti. You'll have to change this body as you have already changed. You have already changed. You are a baby, you change your body to child, you change your body to boyhood, you change your body to youthhood, you change your body to old man. Now, after changes of it, as you have already changed so many times, similarly, there will be another change. You'll have to accept another body. Very simple logic. You have already changed. So, tatha dehantaram prapti dhiras tattva namayati. So, don't be afraid that your nephews and grandfather or guru and they will die. They will not die. Change the body. That's it. So, namayati dhira. Dhira means sober, whose brain is nice, cool brain. One should not be bewildered when there is change of body. But the point is, Krishna says that tatha dehantaram prapti, another change of The sober, one who is sober, he will think, then what kind of body I am going to get next? That is the problem. But these rascals, they do not know. Still, they are proud of their intelligence. He does not know for what kind of body he has come to this body and what he is going to get next body. They have no intelligence. Even they are said that suppose if you get next body, dog's body, they say, what is the harm? Yes? In what is called Hawaii University. One student says like that. His student is being educated, but he doesn't care even if he is going to become a dog next life. This is the education. This is the education. And they are intelligent. Professor Kotovsky said in Moscow, Swamiji, after finishing this body, everything is finished. You see, he is professor. And he is student. So this is the position of so-called professors, student, university, all rascals. This is our challenge. All rascals. Because they are in the bodily concept of life. I am this body. And the body has no change. Body is changing. He is seeing actually in this life. Still he will not believe that after changing this body I will get another body. It is very logical. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumara juvanam jara tatha dehantaram prati. Exactly in the same way as we have changed so many times this body, I will have to change. Therefore, one who is intelligent, he should try to understand that what kind of body I am going to get next. That is intelligence. That is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. What kind of body you can get. Janti deva brata devan, pitrim janti pitri brata, bhute janti bhutani, madjajinopi janti ma. If you want to go to the higher planetary system where demigods live for hundreds and thousands and millions of years, just like Brahma. Brahma is one day you cannot calculate. So in higher planetary system you have got thousands and thousands of better facility for sense gratification and duration of life, everything. Otherwise, why the Kurmis, they want to go to the heavenly planet? So, Janti deva brata deva. So if you try to go to the higher planetary system, you can go. Krishna says. There is process. Just like for going to the moon planet, one must be very expert in the karma kanda, fruitive activities. By karma kanda, you get, by the resultant action of your pious activities, you can be promoted to the moon planet. That is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. But you cannot enter moon planet by this process. By force we shall go with this aeroplane and jets and Sputniks. That's not possible. Suppose if I've got a nice motor car in America, if I want to enter in another country forcibly, is it possible? No. You must get the passport, visa, you must get sanction from the government, then you can enter. Not because that you have got a very good car, you will be allowed. So, we cannot by force. This is foolish attempts, childish attempts. They cannot go. Therefore, nowadays they stop, they do not speak. They are realizing their failure. In this way you cannot. So, but there is possibility you can go if you adopt the real process, you can be promoted. Similarly, you can go to the Pitri Lokas by offering Shraddhas and Pinda. You can go to the Pitri Lokas. Similarly, you can remain in this Loka, Bhutejya. Similarly, you can go back to home, back to God. So, who is intelligent? And if you ask, what is the benefit by going to the planet, back to home, back to Godhead? That is assured in the Bhagavad Gita. Mam upeta kaunteya dukkhalayam asasatam napnuvanti. If you come to me, then you won't have to accept again this material body which is full of miserable condition. You will remain in your spiritual body. So our Krishna consciousness movement is meant for allowing, elevating all living entities. Of course, it is not for all. It is very difficult. But anyone who has accepted this Krishna consciousness movement, if he follows the principles, then he is surely going to home, back to God. That is certain. But if you deviate, if you become attracted by Maya, that is your business. But we are giving you information. This is the process, a simple process. Chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, be purified, remain always liberated from material clutches. And taktadeham, mamupeta, janma karma medibam jujanati. If you simply try to understand Krishna, then taktadeham, after quitting this body, mami, he will come to me. So this is our philosophy. It is very simple, and everything is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. You try to realize and preach this cult for the benefit of the whole world, then everyone will be happy. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.